This is how 96,000 people in Bur town are getting the cleanest drinking water every day. Come, let me show you.
First of all, the water used here is not coming from outside. It comes from our greatest heritage, that's the river Nile.
Secondly, this system does not use generator or fuel. It uses solar power and gravity. It is efficient.
The people working here are from here. I'm one of the people which have been training here.
This is a sustainable facility because users are paying for their water usage.
Because now I have clean water at home, I can give my children and my family clean water, and they can even get clean nutrition food. Also, I support my vulnerable neighbors with this clean water.
Finally, this plant has not only created jobs here. We have 28 water kiosks run by women in the whole community. It is a win for the whole community.
As you can see, it takes all of us in Bur to make this work.
But we won't stop because
every child deserves safe, clean water.